Welcome to my channel once again. As you know, my name's Jiya and we are on our 9th lesson. If you missed the last lesson, then please go and see it. Let's start with a small revision. In our last lesson, we learned about the methods of a list and their usage. Now today we are going to be learning about dictionaries and our third project. So we are going to be learning about what are dictionaries and how to define them in this lesson. Dictionaries, they are kind of like normal dictionaries that we use in our day-to-day life. So like in a dictionary, like in an actual dictionary, like there's the word and then the meaning. So Python dictionaries work the same way. There is the key, which is the word in the dictionary, and then it is separated with a colon, and then we write what the meaning of the word or the value of the key. Then we separate it with a comma and write the next key value pair. Now dictionaries can be written in 3 ways. One way is write the dictionary name, then write the key and put a colon, then the value, then comma and then the next key and value pair. Or you can use the this method, Dict method. So you write DICT and then you put parenthesis and then you write the key and then an equal to sign and the value and keep doing it the same way. Or you can zip 2 lists together to make a dictionary. You have to write the dict method, then the zip method and write the 2 lists, separating them with a comma. So this is an example of a dictionary. So now we are going to see how we can print the dictionary items. So this way print the whole dictionary if we run it. So it is printing the whole dictionary. Then this, so we are using a for loop and for every key in this dictionary, we are printing the value of the key. So we are taking the, if we put the dictionary name, then square brackets and the key, then we can print the value, which we can see is my name, my age, and ID number. And then we can print all the keys by using the dot keys parenthesis method, or we can print the values by using user dot values and then the parenthesis. So it says that these are the keys and these are the values. Now if we need to change the values, so we write the dictionary name, the key whose value we want to change, and then the changed value after putting an equal to sign. Now we change the ID number. Before it was ending with an 87. Now it's ending with a 78. So when we print its value, we see that it is coming 78. While previously it was coming 87. Now adding values. So this is a empty dictionary and then we are writing our key name, what we want to name our key, an equal to sign, and the name and the value of the key. Now if we print this, we get this dictionary name and name Jake. So now our third project. So for our third project, we have to make a one pair rock paper scissors game using Rest and the random module. So before we made the two pair version, now we were making a computer pairing and user pairing. So for random to use random, you need to first import it. To import any library, we have to write the name of the library and what we need to import. In this case, we want to import everything from the random library, so we are using the star, which is meant for meaning everything. Then we have a list which has numbers from 1 to 6, which is named dice. Now there are two ways to using random which are used mostly. We can either do choice, so it will choose randomly one of the values, or we can do random integer. So this cannot be used with the list that we have made. So it will choose a random number from 1 to 6. We have to write the range. Then now the guidelines for the project, it's the same as our second project. If both the pairs choose the same item, the game will be a tie. Paper beats rock and rock beats scissors, while scissors beat paper, and this game should also have rounds. So that's it for our lesson today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.